Everyone enjoys a fire on a wintry day, especially Betty the boxer. She'll sit here for hours just staring at the flames. Getting a fire started is another challenge. Once the wax has cooled, you break apart each egg crates section. And then these are your fire starters. You simply just light up the lint. That goes up very quickly, which will keep the wax going, and it'll drip on your wood, and voila, you'll have a fire in no time. So thanks for watching. See ya. It's nice to keep the fire starters in a decorative crock nearby, but not too close to the heat. That way you can grab one when you need it.